This R34 Skyline 25 GT Turbo was customized by Top Secret 2 Bodyworks, the official body and paint division of Smoky Nagata's world-renowned Top Secret Japan. Located in Chiba, Japan, Top Secret 2 specializes in high-end body fabrication, custom aero installation, and full paint refinishing to the same exacting standards used on Top Secret's legendary demo cars. Available now at Toprank Importers in Cypress, California. Toprank Importers specializes in bringing the thrill of Japanese domestic market cars to U.S. roads. We offer a wide selection of iconic vehicles, from the legendary Nissan Skyline to the classic Toyota Chaser, with a focus on models 25 years and older that are legal for import. Financing available. Nationwide shipping available. Please contact us for details. Phone 844-523-2233. Email sales@importavehicle.com.